Hello everyone. Welcome you after a very long time. There were many questions in your brain that where was the video uploaded being went through or such after a long time I am back. Now I will assure you that we will be in the contact on the regular basis with the different topics. So today what I have brought for you is just the five things. You all know about the materialistic knowledge and the spiritual knowledge. So, materialistic knowledge, what does it mean? It means the what you gain from the academics, what you gain from the books, textbooks, what you gain from in all aspect, what you gain from the academics. And spiritual knowledge is something which makes you calm, something makes you realize how you are and who you are. So, after a long span of time at the age 30, 40, we come to realize that somehow materialistic knowledge, and I am not at that age that myself experience, but the experienced person has gained and said that spiritual knowledge is more important than that of materialistic knowledge. So now the question arises, why is it so? Why the academic knowledge is not more important than that of the material spiritual knowledge? Reason is simple. You learn from your academics, you learn something to do, get a job and get a place. Ultimate goal is your to be happy. And if you are attaining the materialistic knowledge and if you are not happy, then what's the use of that? So I will share you the why the spiritual knowledge is more important than that of materialistic knowledge. I'm not saying that materialistic knowledge is not that important. It's important. But with the parallelism, spiritual knowledge is even more important. Spiritual knowledge means knowing yourself, being calm in the every situation. So let me show you the five things why spiritual knowledge is far more beneficial than the materialistic knowledge. So original materialistic knowledge gives you the lifestyle. You can lifestyle means if you gain the money you will purchase the brands, you will purchase the bikes, you will purchase the car, and you will upgrade your brands which you are using now. But on the other hand, spiritual knowledge gives you the life. And now you must think which is more important, lifestyle or life? Life is more important. Second, materialistic knowledge talks about the quantity, how much you can gain and how much from that you can earn. That they talks about the quantity. But spiritual knowledge makes talks about your quality, not quantity. And quality I think is more important than the quantity. You somewhere go to the restaurant, if you get a very not very bad taste, but it means that not of the taste which you were expected to. You get a very huge amount of food, and somewhere you got the less amount of the tasty food, which you will prefer. Obviously, you will get the quality added product. So, spiritual knowledge gives you the quality, and materialistic knowledge gives you the quantity. Now, third one is materialistic knowledge gives you proof, and spiritual knowledge gives you improve. And now you must think about what is the difference between the proof and disprove. So, proof is the competition with others. When there is a competition with others, then you do the things to prove them. You study to prove for the society. You earn to prove for the society कि हमने ये कर लिया, I have done it. But spiritual knowledge talks about improve. Improve means competition with myself. Yesterday what I was, today what I am. Am I upgrading from yesterday to today or not? So spiritual knowledge talks about improve. Material knowledge lets you go through life, and spiritual knowledge lets you grow through life. What is more important? Just spending the life and completing the life cycle, or growing newer and newer, attaining the new heights in the life? That's more important. That spiritual knowledge provides. Now the five and the most important thing. Material knowledge makes you more informative. You collect the things from here and there, and your brain is like something jumbled with the information. You have stored everything. And spiritual knowledge makes you transformative and improve, both are at the same sense, like you are transforming from a good way to the better way. That's the term. So think about it. I am not saying that materialistic knowledge, what the academics knowledge you are gaining is of no use. It's of use. After all, with that knowledge you learn how to practice the things. And spiritual knowledge is something which you learn only through the practice. So that's all what I have. Think about this. There are five major patterns, five major differences. Not the differences, five major aspects of the spiritual knowledge and materialistic knowledge, which lets you realize that which is more beneficial. Not a comparison, but at a certain age that you will realize that it at the upper high level. It was not a comparison between the spiritual knowledge and the materialistic knowledge. That a tongue twist happened, materialistic, which you gain from the academics. So try to practice the spiritual. Spiritual knowledge is something that cannot be taught. It comes with a daily basis on the practice. You have to do for that. If you want a happy life, if you want a full enjoyment of the life, then you have to practice the spiritual knowledge, no doubt. Spiritual knowledge, as I have said in the fourth one, spiritual knowledge lets you grow through life, not just to go through life. So main motive of the life is funda is clear. You have to grow through life, not go through life. And I will end up this session with a very popular quote. The purpose of life is a life of purpose. If you are living a life of purpose, then that's the purpose of life. Search for the purpose of life. You will find, certainly everyone has a purpose. Everyone finds that. And you also will find. So we will thank you for this very wonderful session. And once again, I am sorry for the inconvenience between the gap. This a very huge time difference gap. Sorry for that. Thank you everyone. We will meet you after the next session. Thank you.